DGISI Hamid Gul was also present last night, and he also addressed the gathering. Central and provincial leadership of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf was present yesterday and today as well. Dr. Arif Alvi and Shiri Mazari also addressed the gathering, along with Dr. Fawzia, sister of Dr. Afia, who is still in the US. And brother of Ibadur Rahman, Sajjadur Rahman, also addressed the gathering. He was also among those that were protesting against the NATO supply. Former ambassador to Afghanistan, Rustam Shah Moman, also was present on the occasion. He also addressed the gathering along with Nigat Orakzai and Marvi Memon of the Pakistan Muslim League Q. But the
a number of important people, as you were mentioning, were present there. Also, you mentioned that around 5,000 people were here. Now, from what I understand, the people in the rally were blocking an important NATO route as well. What is the situation like now? Have they dispersed? Do they continue to stay there and block this route for now?
Well, Sabah, people have dispatched towards their original location. People have left the place towards their hometowns. But the important thing we came to know was the presence of the tribal people from all the 7 agencies. Every agency had their representatives, their public representatives. Even former Federal Minister for Environment Afridi was also present. Hamidullah Jan Afridi was also present on the occasion, and he also said that this was their job, being the tribesmen, this was their job to stop the NATO supply. But Imran Khan took the initiative. A number of people joined them. But the important thing we came to know was the presence of Javed Hashmi. He was present on the occasion. Sabah, let me tell you that both the ruling parties, Awami National Party and Pakistan People's Party, had denied, along with Pakistan Muslim League, had denied to join the sit-in protest that was announced, that was called by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. However, Javed Hashmi joined them and also addressed the gathering and said that until and unless the full suspension was not occurred, to the NATO supply was not suspended in full, this fight would continue, and Americans, the drone strikes would occur, and they would continually target innocents in the tribal areas. Sabah.
All right. So, Umar, what about the NATO supplies? Now, have they resumed, or will they be resuming from tomorrow? What seems to be the plan?
Sabah, the NATO supply was already suspended by the authorities on 21st of April from Karachi, but those that were dispatched towards Afghanistan were stopped by the local people at Khairabad in Attock. They did not allow even a single container to move towards Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and to go through this route towards Afghanistan, because the authorities were already informed by the PTI a month earlier that they would stage a sit-in protest on Pak-Afghan route. So that was the reason when the authorities suspended on 21st of April the NATO supply from Karachi. Sabah.
All right. Thank you very much.